Oh shit, didn't see you there. Yo, what's up, internet? Crypto Guru 69000 over here. And have you been scrolling through the internet trying to find ways to stop being poor? Well, this is probably the most important video you'll ever watch, so keep watching. So, the way we're going to create financial freedom is through passive earnings and letting it automate in our asset column. And right now, we're going to use the Phantom blockchain in the crypto space, and it's called staking. So Phantom is said to beat Solana, which has a total value locked of 29.5 billion in its market cap. And right now the TVL of Phantom is only at 7.87 billion. So there is plenty to go. And I'm sure you guys are wondering, what is staking and is staking safe? Well, the only downfall to staking is the volatility of the price dropping. But what if we have a solution to that and the price does not drop? Well, let's keep watching. Introducing you guys Proto Finance in the Phantom Bank. It looks something like this. And you want to go to the farms and Fusion. Right there, you will find a pair of MAI and DAI. And what exactly does that mean? Well, MAI is a stable coin pegged to the dollar, just like DAI is. And that means that this does not fluctuate and is a stable token to hold and make yields. So what that means is literally holding your money like you would in your bank. Instead of getting 2% or 0.02%, you are getting 82% APR, which reflects on the daily to 130%. Now, understanding that, let's up this a level. So once we've made our profit of 130% APY, we want to take our Proto rewards and we want to go and exchange and turn it into a liquidity in Nucleus, which gives you half your stablecoin, you turn it into USDC, and the other half you want to turn into Proto, which is the native token of this website. And USDC is a stablecoin. So the impermanent loss is also now reduced by half. And you get something like 1,200% APR, which is ridiculous. And you want to only put your profits in here. So you have your stable token doing its ecosystem, taking profits, you put it in here, which helps you earn elect. Now, a quick one, super simple plug and play. You take your elect, you go to something called Fission, and you can stake your elect. And the only way to get elect is through staking that, and you get around a 96% APR that you make your stable tokens. And you want to take your DAI